Hey, welcome back to Fords and Fishing. It's Blake with Goody Motor Ford here in Burley, Idaho, and today we're going to be reviewing the F-150 PowerBoost. Let's check it out. So originally I was going to do the Lariat trim of this truck, but I'm kind of a fan of the XLT. It's just perfect for me, and I really like this color. So this is a new color called the Space White Metallic. It's kind of hard to tell online, but it's a Space White Metallic. There you go. And I like the sports package too. Okay, let's jump right in. Okay, this hybrid purrs like a little kitten, but man, it's got some power. We got the turbo hybrid, 3.5 V6. This gets 22 miles per gallon around town, 24 on the highway. Puts out 430 horsepower, 570 pounds via torque. Up front, we got the blacked out grille and the new Ford symbol. We got the recovery hooks. We got these new headlights. I like how those look, a little bit grayed out. Fog lights down under. I like the look of this truck. If I could get one truck, it might just be this one. Sports package, so it comes with the blacked out wheels. F-150 XLT. Spray and bed liner, very nice. PowerBoost comes with all these outlets. Perfect for all kinds of stuff, honestly. Let's see what we got here. MSRP for this bad boy, $66,460. What a deal. Cake coming in. I'd switch out the floor mats. I like the tough rubber ones. Tons of room in the back. So this truck's perfect for a guy like me. Likes to do business, but doesn't want anything too fancy, but it still comes with heated seats. There you go. And I always forget to mention how much room's back here. So I'm 5'9", so I'm not the biggest guy, but there's just so much room. So much room in the back of these trucks. It's like, Ford, bring back the extended cab so my kids can know what it's like to just be crunched in the back of their dad's truck. I like the trim. I like the double glove box. Big screen. Heated seats, like I said. Phone charger. My phone charges great on that, but I don't have a case on my phone. If it has a thick case, it seems not to charge as well. Okay, back to filming. So yesterday I got tied up selling an F-350 dually, but back to the truck review. Boom. Pull off to the side of the road, do some work, go fishing, close a deal, get back at it. Perfect. Okay, let's see how this bad boy drives. We're in the PowerBoost, and we're going to take it for a spin. So the F-150, America's truck. And what's nice about this truck is you get better gas mileage. 22 around town, 24 on the highway. Same F-150 you've always wanted, but you get better gas mileage and you get to save the environment. We got the cameraman with us today. All right, very smooth. We are cruising at 60 miles per hour. A little windy today. $75, and we're going up a hill. Oh yeah, man, this does have some power. Yeah, we're going 80 up a hill like it's nothing. So yeah, the truck's super quiet, but man, it's got some get up and go. It is quiet, but we are going 80 miles per hour up a hill. Pretty steep hill. Cool, awesome truck. What do you think, cameraman? Would you buy this truck?
It's very nice.
In comparison to the truck I just reviewed, the 5.0 V8, I don't know, that's a tough. This definitely gets up and goes just as, if quicker. I think it gets up and goes quicker than that one, actually. Doesn't sound as loud, doesn't have that same V8 sound, but man, this is a nice truck. Not as fancy too. This is the XLT trim, so the Lariat's got a lot more bells and whistles, but this is still pretty nice. So this is a nice truck. I think I like this more than the truck I reviewed a couple weeks ago. This is a nice truck. Okay, so me and the cameraman are discussing this truck. And it could be I'm just a sucker for any new Ford, but I like this truck. Super smooth, accelerates super quick, gets uphill super fast. I have heard when you're towing something, like plummets, but I don't know. I don't tow anything. It's a nice truck. I like to say that 20 times. Okay, couple added benefits about this truck. I get the fold down console so I can be working from inside my truck. Also, PowerBoost hybrid, and so not only am I getting a great F-150, but I also got that battery kicking in, so I'm helping the environment. So it's just tons of win-wins for this truck. Helping the environment, doing work for my truck, having fun doing truck stuff. It's a nice truck. Oh, the F-150, America's truck. Let's review that Raptor. Okay, just got back to the dealership. We're gonna wrap this up. Awesome truck. I've said that 20 times. I wanted to check out some things in the back with those plugins. See how that works real quick. So this truck's running right now and you can't even tell. Gosh, nice truck, and I'm helping the environment. Hybrid PowerBoost. Check this out. Charging my laptop and ready to fillet some fish. Okay, thanks for watching. Didn't have time to go fishing this time. Hopefully next week. Let me know what you think about the PowerBoost. Thanks so much.